So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a TFSA or a tax-free savings account here on the Moomoo application. So once Moomoo's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom in between markets and news, press on accounts. Now for me, I actually do have a cash account created, so it might look a little bit different, but to get to the same screen, right in the middle where it says deposit, adding accounts and all, simply just press on adding accounts. Now once you're here, it'll say which account would you like to open. Your options here are tax-free savings account or a TFSA, which we'll go ahead and select. We also have RSP, cash accounts, margin accounts, or whatever. So once that is done, I'll press on next. Now once you're here, you have to go ahead and answer these objectives right here. So you have to go ahead and agree. Yours could look a little bit different if you haven't created an account before. You have to open up a bunch of different stuff, but simply just follow the instructions right here. Go ahead, press next at the bottom. Follow through the instructions and kind of go from there. But yeah, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can open up a TFSA or a tax-free savings account here on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.